My name is Jace. I'm here with Rapid Scan 3D. I am evaluating one Artec structured light scanner called the Artec Leo. And we're going to go ahead and scan. First thing with this Leo, I've already scanned the front side, and now I'm going to scan the back side, and we're going to put the data together and do an alignment. It'd be pretty amazing once you see it. So going to the project, we already got the scan right here. We're going to add a scan. And I'm going to come around this side and go ahead and scan. Scanning here with the Artec Leo, just walking up and around at a good distance, going nice and slow. And I'll be changing the angles of the scanner itself to get a better angle on the geometry. But right now I'm capturing as much as I can align with so it doesn't lose alignment when we're scanning later other parts. As we go, well, let's see as we lose some of the data here. I could. Wow, we're able to get all the way around, and we'll be able to compare this data, and we'll compare how long it's going to take us to scan it. Maybe just delete that data. I didn't do what we wanted. I moved it. Angles here. I like to go upside down with the scanner, capture more data. Well, this is a scanning with the Artec Leo of this door, and that took. We'll check the video and see what that time stamp is, but it probably took 2 to 4 minutes. This is a highly reflective product, which is harder to capture. It's also dark, so you have to crank up the exposure. However, still easily captured with this. You can get a whole car, no problem, smaller and medium objects. Yeah, if you'd like to know more, hit me up, DM me, send me a message, Jace at Rapid Scan 3D. Thanks a lot.